Good morning, children. Children, in our last class, that is on Monday, we have completed question number 2, distinguish between. Already we have completed from page number 172, question number 1, that is match the following. Which part of a plant do we eat? Match the plant in column A with its part in column B. And in yesterday's class, we have completed question number 2, distinguish between taproot and fibrous root. Second one is root and stem. Third one is leaf and flower. Now you know how to write in the front side equally, points wise. So children, once again you should see and you have to write it how I have shown to you. Okay, one more time I will write for you in the notebook and show you how to write once again. Maybe today or tomorrow. But now, today what we will do? We will start question number 3. What is that? Question number 3. The question is, fill in the blanks with correct alternatives. ALTERNATIVES. With the correct option or with the correct alternatives, we have to write the sentence. The first sentence is the root, the roots. The roots of a plant grow dash the ground. Here they have given two options. The first option is above and below. Above and below. So you have to choose it from this option. So what is that? The roots of a plant. Can you see the root above the ground? No, it is under the ground. So it is deep in the ground also. So what you will write? The roots of a plant grow below. It is below means under the ground. So write below. Okay. Next sentence. What is it? The stem. The second one is, it is all about the stem. The stem grow, that is dash the ground. Grows dash the ground. GROUND. So here what you will write, children? Again the options are same how it is given that. First we have to write above and below. Above and below. So same option given in the first and that repeated in the second one. Now the stem. Stem, can you see under the ground? No, it's above the ground. So underline above. Write the answer above. ABOVE, above. Now come to the third fill in the blanks. The third one is creepers have. CREEPERS. Creepers have. Creepers have dash stems. Dash stems. Here what is the option they have given? Weak, strong and weak. What is the option? Strong. STRONG. Strong and weak. So if you see the creepers which spread on the ground, they have very thin stem. So here creepers have dash stem. So what is the answer? Weak stem. It's very thin it is. So write weak. Sorry, what is the answer? WEAK. Weak. Creepers have weak stem. Come to fourth option. Most tree leaves. Fourth one. Most tree leave for dash years. So most of the tree live for dash years. And the option is many and few. So if you see a big tree like banyan, peepal tree, they live for 100 of years. 100 of years means many years. So what is the option? Most trees live for many years. Underline many, write it here many. M-A-N-Y, many. Only very few trees, short like shrubs, herbs, they live for a short period. But if you see a tree, most of the tree, they are 100 years of ago. So they live for many years. Come to fifth one. The fifth one is the rice plant. The rice plant is a dash. And here what is the option they have given? For a rice plant, they have given herb. H-E-R-B. Herb or shrub. S-H-R-U-B. Shrub. So here just copy this question and write it. So the rice plant is herb. Write the spelling H-E-R-B. Herb. Now see children, here 5 fill in the blanks I have written for you. What we will do? Today now we will read it. Then you can copy it. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with correct alternatives. First one. The roots of a plant grow below the ground. The stem grows above the ground. Creepers have weak stems. Most tree live for many years. The rice plant is a herb. And see children, in the notebook you have to write the option also. If it is not completed in the first line, you can write this option in the second line. And which option you are writing as the answer, you have to underline and write it here. So children, note down this 5 fill in the blanks. I will rub the board and give you question number 4, that is name the following. See children, what is that? Name the following. Question 4 is name the following. The first question is the process through which plants prepare their food. So the process by which plants prepare their food, we call it as photosynthesis. What is the spelling of photosynthesis? Write it down. P-H-O-T-O-S-Y-N-T-H-E-S-I-S. Photosynthesis. So what is the spelling of photosynthesis? Very carefully you have to by-heart it. Photosynthesis, chlorophyll, pigment, these spellings you have to by-heart it thoroughly. Once again read. The process through which plants prepare their food. Answer is photosynthesis. P-H-O-T-O-S-Y-N-T-H-E-S-I-S. Photosynthesis. Second one. The green substance present in the leaf. So what is the green substance present in the leaf? That we called as chlorophyll. What is that answer? Chlorophyll. C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L. Chlorophyll. So what is the answer? The green substance present in the leaf. Chlorophyll. C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L. Chlorophyll. Come to the next one. The flat board portion of the leaf. So the flat board portion of the leaf, we call it leaf blade. So what is the answer? Leaf blade. L-E-A-F. Leaf. B-L-A-D-E. Blade. So what is the answer of the third one? The flat board portion of the leaf. So the flat and broad it is. We call it leaf blade. What is the spelling of leaf blade? L-E-A-F. Leaf. B-L-A-D-E. Blade. Fourth one. What is the fourth sentence? The roots which store food in them. So the roots which is underground, which we eat it raw. That is fleshy roots. It's like a flesh we eat. It is a fleshy roots. For that we call carrot and radish. So what we will write? Fleshy roots, that is carrot. We wash and eat it raw. Carrot and radish. R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. So the roots which store food in them, that is fleshy roots. So that you can understand, I have written here fleshy roots. You can write carrot and radish as your answer. So children, once again, shall we read? The process through which plants prepare their food. Photosynthesis. The green substance present in the leaf, chlorophyll. The flat board portion of the leaf, leaf blade. The roots which store food in them, that is fleshy roots, we call carrot and radish. So children, note down your homework. Your homework is, you have to write 2 times and by heart with spelling. So children, do your work on time. Send to us soon as you complete your homework, and you have to be updated, be present, send your work. Okay children, have a nice time. Bye.